Here's a quick tutorial on how to manage PDF pages easily in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Next, click the Edit button from the top menu. Then select Organize Pages to access page management tools, including inserting, rearranging, duplicating, rotating, and deleting pages. To add a blank page, select the page where you want the new page to appear. Click the More Options button on that page, then select Insert Blank Page. A new blank page will be added to your document preview. To rearrange pages, simply click and drag a page thumbnail to the location where you want it to appear. To duplicate a page, select the page thumbnail and press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Then select the page after which you want to place the copy and press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Your changes are usually saved automatically. You can also save manually by pressing Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. That's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials.